Yun na. Maganda ko. Lapag na ito. Traffic kayo guys, oh. Ayan, ganito mga kabayan, nag-open yung international airport. Kaya ito ang nangyari. Nagkaroon na siya ng traffic. Ayan mga kabayan, nandito tayo sa international airport. Yan sa likod natin, yan yung pinakamalaking eroplano dito ay opisyal na naglanding at bubuksan itong international airport ngayong araw na to, November 28, 2024. Yun na. Maganda po. That's the one. Lamay.
Muna kita kana kita bikin nga na gahay diri wala man.
Diri lang dako na. Lapag na ito. Yan, lumapag na guys. Tower. Ayan, grabe yung suporta ng mga tao dito sa Greenland mga kabayan, oh. Dahil formal lang binuksan ngayon yung international airport ng Nuuk, Greenland. Yan, sobrang daming tao, traffic pa dito. Ayun sa itaas, oh, ang daming tumitingin. Tapos dito mga kabayan, oh, tingnan nyo yung mga tao nagsiakyatan sa itaas. Ayan, marami yan dyan mga kabayan, oh. Ayan, dun pa sa likod. Ayan, ito yung kuha natin ngayon, ganap dito ngayon, oh. Sobrang traffic na ngayon dahil nga daming tingin kung pagdating ng international airport dito. Ayan. They are still now watching. There's many people, so you can see if these people will go outside. It's too crowded. Yeah, when this airport started to operate, it's too traffic here. Maybe they need to make 3 lanes or 4 lanes way. Road widening. It's nice, very big airport. This is the waiting area, parking area. Plane is going fly now. I see this time. The big plane. It's better this way if they make like 3 lanes. But at the back they are already open. When you go home, you can go at the back. Going to Nuswak connected. Philippines, we use hydro also, hydro electric. See the car. You can see the lights, look like street light. You guys, oh, ayan, ganito mga kabayan, nag-open yung international airport, kaya ito ang nangyari, nagkaroon na siya ng traffic.